Hey everybody, so this is just what to expect during this lesson. So we're going to be focused on what influence does word choice have on meaning and tone. So we're going to do a little bit of context clue review, and then we're going to focus in on how to find the tone of a story or a poem. When we look at this, you're going to, of course, look at context clues. You're going to see how meaning is created through connotation and denotation. Again, these two should be reviewed because we've done this before at the beginning of the school year during our Harlem Renaissance. How word choice affects meaning and tone, know allusions and analogies, and then know how the author uses language to create meaning. And then with all the stuff that you are learning, you should be able to define words and phrases. Okay? Again, you've used that chart before, and I've read your stuff. Y'all have got this. All of this first part right here, that's all review. You can do it. Classify the words according to the tone they possess of positive, negative, or neutral. Again, that's review. You guys can do this. You can tell me whether a word is positive, whether a word feels negative, or if it's neutral. Okay? Analyze the impact word choice has on meaning and tone. So we're actually going to take tone a step further than just positive, negative, and neutral. We're actually going to start focusing in on what emotion does it convey. So, if the tone is positive, you're going to start thinking about positive emotions. And if the tone is negative, you're going to start thinking about negative emotions. So we're going to start thinking about the descriptive words that we need to describe tone. Identify the allusions and analogies from a text. So we'll talk about what these two things are, as well as practice them. And then analyze how language, analogies, allusions, and word choice used by the authors create meaning within a text. Okay, so you're going to learn how to pick those things out, and then you're going to start thinking about what do these things add to my text. Okay, and then in this module, we're actually going to be doing a little bit of a preview into slavery. I know that you guys have talked a little bit about it so far in social studies, but we're going to look into it a little bit more. You're going to do some more annotations for me because we're never going to stop annotating. I will have another self-paced independent work for you with videos built in, as well as having me available on Zoom if you ever need me. There may possibly be a Nearpod. Just be ready for those things to happen. And then, of course, this lesson's actually going to span us about a week and a half. So I am always available on Mondays for one-on-one Zooms if you really need me. And then, of course, even though everything will be open until the end of the unit and following the late policy, make sure that you're using the announcements to help you pace what it is you should be working on. If I tell you to start an assignment today, you should start that assignment today, because more than likely I'll also give you tomorrow to work on it. So just remember, I try and pace my class out like if we were in class together. So don't keep putting things off, right? So hopefully we'll crush this and we'll really enjoy all the cool information we've learned.